The Stirling Maxwell collection is a really important collection of around about 2,000 books of primarily emblem and device literature, which was brought together by Sir William Stirling Maxwell in the 19th century. It's one of over 100 named collections that we have here in special collections, and really, really important to us as one of the most outstanding collections of emblem literature ever assembled by one person. It attracts researchers and scholars from all over the world and is also used intensively here at the University of Glasgow in teaching and learning. So I would say it's basically one of our star collections. Sir William Stirling Maxwell, he collected books right from the start of the emblem genre from the 16th century. So it dates from the very first work by Alciati, but ranges right through the pinnacle of emblem literature in the Renaissance through the 16th century, 17th century, but ranges right up to the 19th century. And obviously we've added to it as well as a collection that we want to kind of maintain its world importance, I suppose. So we also do add the odd, more contemporary item to it as well. It's a collection which, in the 20 odd years I've worked here in special collections, has had consistent use for students. People are obviously always really fascinated by picture books, if you like, and it's something that history of art students can relate to as well. It's been used really extensively, I would say. So one of our best known collections and one of our best used collections, I think it's fair to say.